Hi, this is Jason at RoofSnap,
Hi, this is Katrina.
and I believe we have another FAQ question to run by you today.
We do. So a lot of people ask, how do I add additional people, maybe my whole team or another user, onto my RoofSnap account?
It's a great question. How many times do one of our customers hire a new person, and that person proactively hops on RoofSnap and signs up for their own account, only to have us have to delete that account because they needed to be added as a user to the company, to the organization of which they've just started working at.
Absolutely. Happens very frequently.
All the time. So if you have a new hire, or if you're adding your sales team, or let's even say you're in the 14-day free trial and you've used it for a couple days and you like it and you want other people in your company to try it out during your trial, also for free. Come to roofsnap.com, log in, go to the My Account tab, and click on Users. You'll see in this test account that we've just set up today, we only have the primary user here. The primary user cannot be deactivated. That's why there's nothing here. But let's go ahead and add an additional user. So I'm going to put in Katrina. And I'm going to put her in as sales. And I'm going to put in her fake email address.
And you'll see Jason is going to put in a password as well. You can immediately send your new user a password reset link so they can select their own. And we can show you how to do that here in a moment.
Yep, that's a good one. There, I can't type and talk. I had to get all that typed in. I'm like completely silent. And then once you get that information filled out, you click on register. But you're not done yet. You have to go right back into users, and you see I've made Katrina here as a sub-user, and she can be deactivated if for any reason I needed to deactivate that account, that sub-user. But what you have to do is go into edit. And here under edit, I can put in a contact number, I can set sales commission, and I can also change her role. I can make her an account admin. That way she would have the full privileges of managing pricing and all of this online customization. But if she's only going to be using the app in the field and needs to be blocked from having all of that admin access, then I would make her sales app only, give her that role. And then if she needed to be allowed to edit line item pricing within the estimate right on the iPad, I would turn that on. And if I wanted her to be able to view summary reports, I would turn that on as well and click on the update button. Now that's not all. There's one final thing. Every user needs to be put into an office. And as you can see, Katrina has automatically been added to the sample office. If you had additional offices set up and you needed to have that user to be given access to any other offices, which we'll talk about in other videos, you would need to pick that office and click on the submit button. But that's already taken care of, so I'm going to go back to my account, I'm going to go back to users, and I'm going to click edit on me, just to show you that I can also edit my own information, and I can also add myself to additional offices as needed. So that's how you add additional users. And Katrina, was there one other component to that?
One other thing. So when you add a user, of course, you're setting up a password for them. And if you'd like them to receive a password reset link, just log out of the account and go to Forgotten Password right here in the login screen. You can copy and paste or type in their email address here and send them a link so that they can set a password of their choosing.
Yep, so just click on Reset Password, and that will automatically send your new user a password reset email, and then they can set up their own password to be able to access RoofSnap.
Right.
Great, well, we have another FAQ coming up here in just a little bit, but for now, take care.
See ya.